Hey guys, Unbreakable Plays here. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are back here for part 4. This time it's no screen recorder, but guys, we are with a special guest. Yeah, that's just a special guest. Okay. Anyways, this is kind of awkward. But let's just continue with the video, okay? No, stop. No, stop. Oh, okay. Special guest. HBO. 3, 2, 1. Dude. Let's explode the ball. Let's go. Hopefully there's no camper cops. We are on a... Never mind. Oh god, there's a camper cop right here. Let's see where the public server, but... He sees me. Oh, he doesn't see me. He doesn't see me. Oh, come on. He doesn't see me. The guy's right there. He's just camping. He's camping. Look at his door. Look at the top of his head. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, 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 go. Come on, come on, come on. Hopefully that's a rocket fuel. Please tell me I got some rocket. No, I don't got no rocket fuel, man. Come on. Stop recording me. I know you're recording me. Nope. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Oh no. Oh my, okay guys, escaped, I escaped. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Okay. Hopefully nobody's coming. Okay. Let's go here. Try and stop laughing. Okay, if you want to be in the video, you're gonna be in the video. Okay, man, let's get some guns real quick. Let's get the gun. Ooh, let's see what's in here. Look at these targets. Damn, that's awesome. Anyways, okay, I don't really want this gun right now, but you know, AK is awesome. There's a new update in Jailbreak as well, gliders, but I didn't really want to try them right now. Because for some reason they don't work for me. And I don't know why they don't work for me. But okay, let's go. Let's go get some actual guns so we can start this. So we can kill some cops, hopefully get some key cards. And then when we do get some key cards, we can rob banks without you know, getting arrested. Or even a chance of getting arrested. If we do get arrested. Because arrested is a really big thing. And you know, a lot of people rage. And I don't want to be one of those, a lot of people today, especially because I don't want my day to go bad. So far, it's an okay day, I guess. I mean, it's basically a normal day. But, oh, the jewelry store. There may be a camper cop in there. Hold on. If there is, then we get some guns so I can shoot. Oh, yeah, that cop. Oh, no, oh, okay. Oh, no, hold on. Oh, yeah, I forgot that there is... rope for every single heli now, so that's pretty awesome. Okay, switch into here. Let's go. Oh, why can't I run? Okay, I thought I couldn't run for a second. Okay, let's go to that open jewelry store. If there's any cops in there, nobody cares because you know I'm probably gonna shoot them and then they're gonna arrest me. Really? Okay, no, wait, hold on. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, I don't think helicopters are supposed to look like this. Okay, anyways, the bank has to be open. I didn't check yet, so let's go. Okay, stop. Just stop already. Okay. Oh, yeah, cops. No, they got a Ferrari. What the heck was that? Hold on, let me go and get my Bugatti. I got the Bugatti. Oh, is that cop? Who the heck is this guy? XQZTY_Froggy Fries. What? This may be a longer recording. Oh, a cop! Hey, cop! Oh, Jukes. Oh, look at them. Look at that Juke. Look. Oh my God, that is brutal. Jump kick on it. Oh, here's the cup. Let's go. Okay, stop. Just stop it. You're interrupting my session right now. Alright, let's go. Oh, you didn't go arrest my friends, eh? Let's go. Okay, we got a key card. I don't know what the heck that was for a second there. Okay, well, we are good to go right now. Okay. No key cards, which is pretty disappointing. Oh. What the heck happened to that car? What? Oh yeah, and subscribe and like the video because then I could, I could pay for my family. I was just joking. Okay, anyway. Oh, let's go. There's a camera cop. No camera cops allowed. I almost got arrested. Let's go. Oh. Key card. Let's go. Oh, you got a key card. We got a key card. Oh, that cop just died. Okay, he dropped the key card. Let's go. The train. We gotta go get the train. What the heck did I just say? Okay, yeah, whatever. Let's go. The train has to be coming. Will the train be coming every day? Let's go. No. No! Dang it. I missed it. Okay, well, I'm trying to get the army helicopter. This takes me longer than expected here. Okay, so the bank has to be open now. Okay, just stop it. That's so cringy. Okay, there's no robberies happening because nothing's open right now. Where are the cops at, man? Where are the cops at? I might as well kill some cops. So let me recharge my guns real quick. Oh my God. Please, you're killing me with cringe. Okay, let's go. Let's go ride in the Bugatti. Okay, let's go. I don't. That's not. Hellies! That gotta be a cop. No, it's a. Can I get the heli? Heli, come on. Dang it, he locked it. Real skitty. Let's go. Okay, so there's nothing open. Come on, I haven't robbed anything yet, man. It's been like almost 10 minutes in the video and I haven't robbed anything. Man, it's a hard life out here. You guys do not know how hard of a life it is of a Roblox YouTuber. Nothing happens. Oh, the jewelry store is open. Woo! Let's go inside. Let's get inside, boys. Boys. Let's go get some money. Come on, boys. Come on. Let's get some money. Sis. Oh man. Okay. We can get some 5K in this robbery, I think. First robbery of the day, doing it Gary's way. I don't think that rhymed. Okay, I think it did. Yeah, I believe it's rhymed. So I'm okay with that. But yeet. The XQTY Froggy Fries just said yeet. I love that name. It's probably the best name ever. I'm gonna change my name legally to that name. I would love to have that name. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Rob everything they got, man. Come on. Oh. Let's go. 5K. Stop recording me. I know you're recording me right now. Let's go, Rob. Let's go. No health. I am okay with that. No health. No Heath. I don't know what the heck that I just said, but no Heath. Whatever. I don't really care. As long as I'm not misspelling the L, it's fine. L. That's what these cops just took. On L. Cash. Let's go. Woo! 6K. Whoa! Oh God. Oh, this cop followed me. Oh, this cop's dedicated. Oh man. Look at this dude. No. I got arrested. No. I'm dying. Okay, anyways, back. I got arrested. I just got arrested, man. No. I was doing so good. That stupid cop. I forget what his name is, but anyways, I'm gonna end it there. Don't forget to trust me. Touch it.